Welcome to my channel RICKS, in which you will find a lot of videos that covers all the mathematics programs, going from elementary school 5th grade to senior high school 12th grade. All the videos are ranked in playlists by level and by chapter. You will learn very easily and independently. My workspace, as you see here, is divided into 3 parts. The first one is dedicated for the course reminders, the second for the calculation steps, and the third is where we will treat our exercise globally. My goal is to provide methods and tips that everyone who is in difficulty can succeed. Let's go.